Okay, hello. We're back at the markets, back in front of our charts. It's Monday, 21st August. Yesterday we didn't really have much time to cover everything, but we got a comment or rather a request for one of our subscribers mentioning that they want to talk about pound dollar. So we just record this analysis for pound dollar right now, right before the week really gets started, so that you guys will know what you should be watching out when the market moves. This is a H4 chart, this pound dollar. Okay, so let me just look at the daily first. Okay, you look at daily, it's actually pretty obvious that it's a downtrend. Right? So you see, we always do the same thing. Always look at the trend. You look at the bigger picture, right? It's always the same thing, but of course, you need experience to really decipher things. Okay, so you can see it's a downtrend, but just because it's a downtrend doesn't mean that it's always going to go down. Right now we're in the midst of retracement. So if we look at structure wise, the previous support, right, was here. Okay, if you're not too sure how to find the support, just use our line chart trick, right? Just look at the area which has the most closest, right, which would be somewhere around here, because there's one touch here, very close here and here. Okay, I mean, you can also draw this one, this zone, basically this zone. If you've not watched our other video talking about how support and resistance levels are zone or singular level, please go watch that. Okay, it's in our channel also. So anyway, price has a lot of room to retrace higher. Okay, in fact, in a smaller time frame, which is a H4, you see that there's a inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the head and this is the right shoulder. Okay, no matter how you draw the trend line, right, the neckline, you draw it like that, or like that, right, it doesn't matter because the conclusion is still the same, right? The conclusion is that this neckline has been broken and this inverted head and shoulder has been confirmed. Okay, more importantly, what we think about this currency pair, right? Why we are bullish about it is because you look at the structure, right? This is a high, correct? This is a low. This is a higher high, and this is a higher low. So more than having a confirmation in terms of a chart pattern, we also have like a bullish structure, right? Higher highs, higher lows, correct? However, now market it seems a bit tricky, right? Because you have a low here, you have a high here, okay? But this next low is over here. So if you look at it over here, sometimes, not always, sometimes price have a tendency to do this first, okay? Why would the market do that? Okay, because this is the swing low. A lot of weak buyers would actually put their stop loss here, okay? So you try to understand the recurring pattern that we always talk about. We're always thinking about structures, we always look at bigger picture, and also looking at stop losses. Where are the stop losses of most people? Okay, because we don't want to be most people. We want to put our stop loss at places where the market is unlikely to go. At the same time, we want to enter, right, place a position where most people have their stop loss at, right? Because when they have their stop loss there, means they're actually selling it to us. Okay, so there's definitely a lot of a stop loss in this zone here. Okay, let me just this zone here. Okay, hopefully if you are trading and you bought, your stop loss is not here, because it's very likely that you'll be taken out. Okay, so we're probably looking at a shakeout over here, shakeout before it goes here. Okay, of course that might not happen. Maybe this support might hold and it might just come like that before it goes up. Okay, we have to see. It takes a lot of experience, but we are not seeing at this moment, if price comes down to this level, that there's a trend reversal. Although this looks like a bit of a lower, it'll be a lower low, correct? Because if price comes here, this low will be lower than this low, correct? But we haven't seen a reversal pattern, right? If you want to short, then this is what you should see. Okay, you should see that price comes down, comes back up, okay, and then comes back down, which is basically your head and shoulders, right? Symmetrical left and right. Okay, but until that happens, you'll probably see retracement higher. Okay, so just watch out for this zone, and if you are trading, please try not to put your stop loss here. Okay, this would be a safer zone below the neckline as well as below this swing low instead of this swing low. But I mean, don't just go and buy now, because your stop loss is going to be like very wide, and the risk reward is not too good. So stay patient. I mean, the week just started, right? Just stay patient, and I'm sure the market will give a lot of opportunities. Okay, so you have any questions about this pair or any other things you'd like to clarify, please write in to us, because we want to hear from you. Okay, we need to understand what kind of content you need, what are your struggles, so that we can come out content that addresses your problem. Because sometimes we think that this is your problem, but that's not your problem. So we just don't want to just create content just for the sake of content. Okay, although there are certain things that we feel is important, but if it's not helping you, please let us know. Okay, comment down below, write us an email. Yeah, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we will be sure to answer any questions that you have. Okay, so till then, we'll see you in the next video.